Welcome friends! In this tutorial, we are going to make layout for Jain manuscripts. We will be required materials like paper, ruler, pencil, burru and inks. Before to start with this, let us prepare writing tool first. Take a burru stick. Here we are using preferably Tajia burru. This thin and stiff burru is appropriate for writing Jain calligraphic text. You may select other types of burru. Make sure that it is stiff enough to hold the ink, otherwise it will break. For sharpening the burru, first make an angular cut like this. You need to keep sharpening it till you get nice flat tip in front. Now straight out the tip from both sides to make it narrower and give a flat cut on the top to remove excess fibers. Slightly sharp the tip from back side to make it thinner. Now cut the tip of the boru at the angle of around 35 to 40 degree with scissor. Make sure that this slant tip is around 1 millimeter in the width. This tool is ready to use. The next thing we are going to do is to keep manuscript surface ready. We are taking smooth handmade paper so that we do not need to smoothen it again. Take approximate ratio of the sample manuscript. Here the size is 29.2 by 11.2 centimeters. Placing it horizontally, keep the margin of 43 to 42 millimeter from both left and right sides and 32 millimeter from top and bottom of the paper edge. Let's draw the columns. Left column is 8.5 centimeter and right column 9.2 centimeter wide. We are keeping right column slightly bigger than column on left just to match original style. Now draw 4 to 5 millimeter borders at the other end of each column. You can color these borders with red ink. Also at the center of the page, you draw circular or flower shape with red ink just to mimic actual manuscript. The basic grid is ready. Let's draw the horizontal lines for the text in this column grid. In the column, draw the horizontal lines for the text. Make sure that the kerr height will be 6 to 7 millimeter, which is 6 to 7 times of the boru stroke, and the line spacing will be 4 millimeter, which is approximately half of the kerr height. With these measurements, we are drawing total 6 lines for the text. Now your basic manuscript layout grid is ready for writing the text. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, you can see how to write in the Jain Devanagari calligraphic style for this particular manuscript.